നമസ്കാരം. സഫലമി യാത്രയുടെ പുതിയൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. എല്ലാ എപ്പിസോഡിലും നമ്മൾ വ്യത്യസ്തമായ ലൈഫ്സാണ്, അവരുടെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആണ് ഷെയർ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ അതിഥിയായിട്ട് എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു ഫാമിലിയാണ്. ആൻഡ് their name is Mr. Shiju and Mrs. Jace Thomas. 2011 യുഎയിൽ എത്തുന്നതും ഒരു പ്രവാസ ജീവിതം തുടങ്ങുന്നതും. They both are engineers and they are working here. They have so many experiences to share. As a family, when you stay at a place, when you are at a place as a family with your kids, you have so many highs and downs, so many struggles, so many happiness. As a family, you are going through it. നമ്മൾ ഒരാളായിട്ട് വരുമ്പോഴും ഒരു ഫാമിലി ആയിട്ട് ഇവിടെ നിൽക്കുമ്പോഴും two different things. സോ ആ ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ മുന്നേ രണ്ടുപേരെ ഞാൻ ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാമിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. വെൽക്കം. How you both are doing?
We are fine, thank you.
We are privileged to have a family at our program, and once again we heartily welcome you.
Thank you so much for the opportunity you gave us.
Yeah. So I'll start with you, sir. 2011 യുഎയിലേക്ക് വരുന്നതും ഒരു എക്സ്പാറ്റ് ലൈഫ് അവിടെ നിന്നാണ് തുടങ്ങുന്നത്.
Exactly.
അതിന്റെ മുന്നേ എവിടെയായിരുന്നു?
അതിന് മുമ്പേ ഞാൻ ഇന്ത്യയിലായിരുന്നു വർക്ക് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. And before that I was also in UK for some time for my post graduation.
Okay.
So after that I thought Dubai is one of the best place
Yeah.
to fulfill your dreams.
Okay.
So I moved to Dubai.
So you were in UK like for your working there or for only studies?
I was doing my masters. ഞാൻ masters MBA ചെയ്യുമായിരുന്നു
Yeah.
UK ന്ന്.
Yeah.
Me and my wife went together.
Yes.
Planned to settle there, but apparently recessions came, so we had to move back to India.
Okay. ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ജോബ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു?
ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ജോബ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. I was working with Emerson.
Okay.
And then we actually are born and brought up in North India and West India.
Yeah.
So ഞാൻ ജനിച്ചു വളർന്നതൊക്കെ ഗുജറാത്ത്, ബറോഡ.
Yeah.
And I was working in Baroda for a few times. My schoolings, everything in Baroda only we have.
Yeah.
So my language is not so clear. But സംസാരിക്കാം.
Yeah.
എഴുതും, കുറച്ച് വായിക്കും.
Yes.
So എല്ലാം ചെയ്യാം. But
Yeah.
അങ്ങനെ ഞങ്ങൾ അവിടുത്തെ ഒരു ലൈഫ് കഴിഞ്ഞു.
Yeah, you have never been in Kerala for a long time.
ഇല്ല കുറച്ച് നാളത്തേക്ക്.
കുറച്ച് നാളത്തേക്ക്.
Yeah,
Okay.
like-
And what about you? Like എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇവിടെ ദുബൈയിൽ വരുന്ന മുന്നേ എവിടെയായിരുന്നു സ്റ്റഡീസ് ഒക്കെ ചെയ്തത്?
Yeah, basically my childhood was in Jabalpur. I'm from MP, Madhya Pradesh. So my parents were having government job.
Okay.
So there we were settled. So till now they were there. So after retirement they settled in Kerala.
Okay.
So after that we got married. And then finally we went to UK together. Then after I think 2 years, we came back.
Okay. So you were also working in India?
Yeah, I was working in Jabalpur. I was working as a lecturer in engineering college.
Okay.
So I was working there.
So now I'm talking to like both the engineers.
Yeah.
One is mechanical and other is computer.
science.
Okay. So that's really good. Okay. So you were telling me like you went to UK but to like get settled there, but then it didn't happen.
Yes.
And then you came to Dubai and it happened.
Yes.
Can I just know the story behind that?
See, UK is one of the most powerful countries in the world. You know, the passport and the culture there is something very different, which everyone is looking forward to go in that place. We also went there with lot of dreams. ഞങ്ങൾ ചെന്നപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങൾ വിചാരിച്ചു now UK ഉള്ളൂ നമ്മുടെ ഡെസ്റ്റിനേഷൻ, ഫൈനൽ ഡെസ്റ്റിനേഷൻ. വിൽ കം ഔട്ട് വിത്ത് റെഡ് പാസ്പോർട്ട്.
Flying colours.
നമ്മൾ അവിടെ നിന്ന് മൊത്തം ഫാമിലി സെറ്റിൽ. ഞങ്ങൾ ചെന്നപ്പോൾ റിയാലിറ്റി കുറച്ച് ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു.
Is it?
I was studying. I had to do my masters. She was there. So we don't get easily settled there. We had a lot of job opportunities, very less. And there are certain criteria where we cannot meet up to the requirements. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് തോന്നി it's not a long life, right? Because I was already working and I was having experiences in my field. I don't want to spoil my field. So I thought I will go back to India. I will settle down there. But India is a very big country
Yeah.
where we have to find the real opportunity.
Right.
അങ്ങനെ I got an offer from Reliance. Okay, Reliance at that time. I cleared everything and I got an offer from Dubai. So my parents asked me, "What do you want?" I said, "Everybody asks you, you're getting Reliance.
Yeah.
Why don't you join Reliance?"
Yeah.
I said, "ഞാൻ Dubai പോകുന്നു." So why Dubai? Dubai is something where everybody is dreaming. It's one of the best life.
Yeah. It's like a dreamland for everybody.
So അങ്ങനെ Dubai travel ചെയ്തു. When I started, when I was working in India, I was in a very good position. I had to start again here from scratch.
Right. You are a fresher.
It was
Any day you are a fresher.
Yeah, anytime when we come to
Yeah.
GCC, we are starting
Right.
scratch. It was a big challenge for me because now that life settle a life I'm little and I am married.
Yeah.
I have to come here and everybody, all the family was staring at me like, what are you doing?
Right.
But I had the determination saying like, no, it is my field, I will go there. ഞാൻ ചെയ്യും എന്തെങ്കിലും. And I came here with a job. I started, and slowly, I wasn't. But my happiness was that I was working in my passion, my field.
Yeah. That is what you get satisfaction. Right.
അതാണ് എൻ്റെ ഒരു അച്ചീവ്മെന്റ്.
Right.
അപ്പം നമ്മുടെ ഒരു പാഷൻ എന്നുള്ളത് നമ്മൾ ജോലി ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് നല്ല ഡിഫറൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും.
ശരിയാ.
ആ ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് ഐ ഗോട്ട് ഇറ്റ്.
Yeah.
സോ ഗ്രാജുവലി ഒരു ഗ്രാഫ് എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ വർഷവും ചേഞ്ച് ആയിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നു.
Yeah.
ബിക്കോസ് ഐ ഹാഡ് എൻ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ്. എൻ്റെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഞാൻ പതുക്കെ യൂസ് ചെയ്തു. സോ മൈ ലൈഫ് ഗ്രാഫ് ഓൾസോ സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് ഇൻക്രീസിങ്.
Yeah.
അത് എനിക്ക് നല്ല ബെനിഫിറ്റ് ആയി. ആൻഡ് ദുബായ് is very good country. That's what I can say.
Yeah. When he decided like he want to start from scratch, he want to come to Dubai, then what was your reaction as a wife?
My reaction always, I thought that he had some dreams of his own. Like he always wanted to explore more. That was his main thing. So that time also I could see that he had a dream to go to come to Dubai, and then he wanted new places, to come to new places. UK also he went and he explored there everything. He came to know, okay, it is not going for a long run. Then we thought that okay, we can try for Dubai also. By everything, by God's grace, everything went fine after coming here.
Yeah.
So as he said that he started with the scratch, and with his determination, he's in a good
Yeah.
position. Yeah.
Actually, everybody says like this life is like very adventurous, but some people don't take risk. They are like, whatever we have, it's okay, we can go with that. But you chose to take risk,
Yes.
and because of that, you are here with a lot of experiences, and you are fulfilling your dreams, your passion. So currently, where are you working?
I'm working with one international company,
Yeah.
basically associated with Expo, which is
Okay.
a very big event coming in.
Yeah, everybody is like waiting for.
Yeah, so I'm a big part of that
Okay.
Expo.
Yeah.
We are building some pavilions for the
Okay.
countries, very
Okay.
famous countries, which I
Yeah.
cannot disclose
Yeah.
right now.
Right.
So yeah, I'm an operations head in my company. I handle all the operations for my company.
Okay.
I have projects. I have team which is working for us, and like yeah, so enjoying that
Okay.
right now.
Okay.
So yeah, it's like Expo is very glamorous, and
Yeah.
we're expecting soon to start that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Have you ever felt like Dubai is a magnet? Like you once if you get attracted, it's like very difficult for you to get out of that magnetic field.
Exactly. See,
Yeah.
Dubai, I would just say, it's a place where you can fulfill your dreams.
Right.
If you come with a dream, and if you have passion and determination, you can fulfill a dream. It doesn't think like you are highly educated, you are very rich, or you are not educated. The person should come with a motive saying like,
Yeah.
I want to do this. And this is a country where the leaders of this country basically support you.
Yeah.
And they themselves take so much challenge that we can also get motivated with that.
Right.
Correct? So each and every individual, I have seen many stories. I read every day, so I see many inspiring stories. People coming from rags to riches.
Right,
It's
right.
in one night people become millionaires, billionaires. So it's a country with what we can say magic lamp.
Yes.
Rub it properly.
Yeah.
And try to get.
But you should
fortune.
know how to rub it properly.
true.
That
See,
is the thing.
Everybody who comes here, including you, me,
Yeah.
everybody here,
Yeah.
works hard. Okay,
Right.
in this 50-degree temperature, we work hard. There's so much problem, but at the end of the day, when we go back home, we are very happy.
Yes.
We get the value what we have
Done.
done
Yeah,
for
yeah,
that. So
yeah.
that is what we have
That is
all
what-
year to look for.
Yeah. So basically, if I'll talk about you, you are a mother, you're a wife, like all the ladies, they are into so many responsibilities. So how you like handle your work, your family, kids, how you handle that?
I think we should manage the time
Yeah.
for the family. Of course, kids are really precious and also a great responsibility. So that is our priority. So we have to manage time. Okay, of course, we are working here from 8 to 5. So after that, we will go back.
Yeah.
We will give some time to for the kids. So that management of time, it's very important, I think. As a mother, we need to manage that.
Yeah.
So that time management, I think it is important. Because of course, if we are working, so we need some time for them also.
Yeah.
So time management.
Yeah. That I
And
think
also-
every
and also
woman.
priority. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is priority more? Okay, if they are sick, we cannot go. So we have to prioritize that. And work is also important, very important.
Yeah, we have to balance
Balance
both the
both.
things.
Balance
Yeah. സോ നമ്മുടെ ലൈഫ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴേ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഇൻഫ്ലുവൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ പേരൻസ് ആണ്. ലൈക്ക് ഫ്രം ദ ഡേ യു ആർ ബോൺ, യു ഹാവ് കം ടു ദിസ് എർത്ത്, ആ ഡേ തൊട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ന് വരെ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടോ അപ്പോൾ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഇൻഫ്ലുവൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന അവരാണ്. സോ വാട്ട് യു ഹാവ് ടു സേ അബൌട്ട് യുവർ പേരൻസ്?
I will introduce my parents first of all.
Yes.
My father's name is P.T. Raju.
ഓക്കെ.
Mother's name is Omna. Okay. My father and the father, I was born in Baroda in Gujarat. He was running a business for 38 years. And he was like a person with a lot of, what we say, passion, like what I am trying to take it from him. He was also determined to do something in his life. He had no skills, we didn't have money. But from rags, he built up an empire where he can survive with his family, be happy with his family. And he has done that hard work for 38 years. And today I'm motivated from him. And he is one of the inspirational leader. I can go back to him anytime. Papa, I need your help. So he's a friend now for me.
Yes.
So advice for good and bad, everything comes from him. So mother is always pampering. Whatever age you become, she pampers, she scolds.
Yeah.
So this both people plays a very big role in our life, and without them we cannot think of, like, I don't know how it is, but we cannot imagine at the moment. Okay, but always they are our motivation. And that's their values, what we learn from them. Their all
basically
things.
What moral values, like mothers, especially mothers are our first teachers, so basically what moral values she has imparted into you, like you're taking to your whole life?
She always told me one thing. See, her policy is never to hurt anyone. Okay, never to hurt anybody's feeling. Be responsible, believe in God, and automatically you will find your way out.
Yeah.
That's the only lessons she has taught to me and my sister.
Yeah.
So whatever difficulty comes, we try to overcome that with a belief in God and our family support. Our family is big, going on like. So all the family members support each other.
What about your sister? What's her name?
Her name is Sheena.
Where is she?
She is also settled here in Abu Dhabi with her husband, Ebi. She has one child.
Okay.
Yeah, she was also very well back doing a lot of extracurricular activities like acting, dancing. Now she has left everything. She's a mother, so she's more focused with her child.
Okay.
So she is enjoying her life in Abu Dhabi.
Okay. So what you want to say about your parents, like as he has said, is everyone has to say, like, our parents are the ideal figure in front of us. Anybody can leave, but they will not. So what do you want to say about that?
What my parents, of course, like all parents, they are always our well-wishers. And then whatever we are today, it is because of their education, the upbringing that they have given us, the values they have taught us. So we are going through this stage, whatever stages, overcoming all the hurdles, it is because of their values. So they have taught us how to handle situation, how to be calm, like how to be patient. So these things.
How many
comes
kids
from-
you have?
We have 3 children.
Okay,
3
and
kids.
what's the name?
The eldest one name is Ivan. The second one name is Alisha, the third one is Chris.
Yeah.
So Ivan is 10 years old, Alicia is 2.5 years old, and Chris is 1.5 years.
Okay, they all are with you.
Yeah, they're all
Yeah,
Here.
they are with me.
Okay, they are in school.
We have busy life working also, busy life at home also.
Full on busy.
Yeah, 3.
Full on.
Okay.
Yes, when we
After
go back
11.
home, like all the 3 surrounds us full time.
But it's
So-
like, it's like really a good feeling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Whatever
very
stress
fun
you
to-
have, whatever
Yeah,
worries
yeah.
you have,
You
you're
don't have
just-
any time to think
Yeah.
about those.
Everything get diminished
Yes,
in one
exactly.
moment.
It's
Yeah.
worth.
Yeah, it's worth it. And
Happiness is there.
yeah, it's actually, it's said that it's a blessing.
Yes,
Yeah,
especially during the COVID time
Yeah.
when we were in lockdown. Many families, many people suffered this, depressions because of
Right.
loneliness.
Yeah.
But in our case, we were never lonely because we were working.
Yeah.
We were same thing. We start from morning 6, then it goes till morning 12 because evening 12.
Mm-hmm.
We are busy. We are
Yeah.
busy with them. They roam around. They are having this. So
Yeah.
that we and then at that time we understood what's the value of that family life.
Right.
Having kids, having somebody who can take care.
Yeah.
Our no depression, no time to think about something, and more bonding.
More bonding. Yeah,
That is
yeah.
where we
Because family is like a small heaven on earth.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is what.
Whenever we go back home, there is someone waiting for us.
Someone that's a
very near.
feeling
Yes.
like that's a love for us.
Yeah.
Unknowingly, they are loving us in like
Unconditionally.
unconditionally.
If you open the
Even-
door, the first voice will be Papa, Mama.
Yeah.
That 2 words will come out. So
Yeah.
That
That give
when
you
we hear
immense
that,
happiness.
Yeah, they make you happy.
Okay.
So, after all this hard work,
Yeah.
at the end we find that happiness at home.
Right. Okay. So as we were talking about COVID, I would like to ask you, what do you think? Like the pandemic has affected the whole world.
Exactly.
Every place, almost every person, let's say business or everything is affected. So what do you think that this COVID had taught us?
COVID has taught us that anything can happen in this world. We never thought like there will be a border between Dubai and Abu Dhabi.
Right.
Today we have a border from Dubai and Abu Dhabi. I used to travel Abu Dhabi daily before when I was working in Abu Dhabi. Now to
You
travel
can't.
to Abu Dhabi we have to think twice. Okay?
Yeah.
So now we understand flights. I never dreamt like okay
Yeah.
the flight can be cancelled or the airport can be a lockdown. This all happened, which we used to see in a movie sometimes.
Yes,
which
yes.
was like we can be imaginary.
Yeah.
It happened in
It happened.
reality. Today we are wearing mask. Today we are sanitizing, which we never ever
Never
thought of,
ever
and we
thought.
would have just neglected it.
Yes.
So what is that we can say is that the value of life is very important, and people learned about the value of life. Many of our near ones, dear ones left from
Yeah.
us, correct? And there is no age barrier. And
No.
there we understood like life is very important. Whatever life we have, use it in correct way, fulfill your dreams, live happily, and be like
Be thankful.
be thankful to
Be
God,
thankful.
to everyone, thankful to God, everyone who is giving whatever you. So this if we can do, we are worth with our living. We don't know tomorrow what is happening.
Nobody knows.
So
Yeah.
that we have learned. So
Yeah.
it we maybe we that it is this pandemic has attacked everyone.
Everyone, in a way or other.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. So it has taught good lessons also, and we have experienced bad things.
Yeah, everybody. But then we can everything is having its own positive and negatives. We can take the positive out of that. That's all we can do. If we can't
Negative has a lot of impact
on us,
It's been
right.
2 years now. So
right.
2 വർഷമായിട്ട് ആൾക്കാര്
Yeah.
നമുക്കൊരു ഇപ്പം നമ്മളൊക്കെ ജോലി ഉണ്ട് ഇല്ല പക്ഷെ എത്ര ആൾക്കാർ കഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നു ജോലി ഇല്ല
കഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ട്.
എത്ര ആൾക്കാരുടെ ആൾക്കാർ
Right.
നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു ഇവിടുന്ന് ഭൂമിയിൽ നിന്ന് പോയി സോ
Yeah.
ദിസ് ഇസ് സംതിങ് നമുക്ക് ഒരിക്കലും
മറക്കാൻ
മറക്കാൻ
പറ്റില്ല.
പറ്റത്തില്ല
Yeah, yeah.
ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ ഓവർകം ചെയ്യും ബട്ട് വൺ തിങ് ഐ ജസ്റ്റ് വോണ്ട് ടു മെൻഷൻ when this pandemic started all the world was suffering. Everybody was saying like, oh, now it is the end of the world. We are not going to come out of this. But when I was very positive, I said, we are staying in a country where the
Right.
leaders are very strong,
Right.
and they will make this happen more faster than anybody in the world.
Yeah, and it happened.
It happened here,
Yes,
okay, and
yeah.
they will take the challenge that they will make the people safe. അവരെ നമ്മളെ കെയർ ചെയ്യും, നമ്മളെ ഇങ്ങനെ മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യും, അതെല്ലാം ചെയ്തു. അതാണ് നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് അതിന് ഒന്നുകൂടെ അവർക്ക് റെസ്പെക്ട് കൂടി.
കൂടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Correct?
Yes.
Yeah, everything for vaccination also. It
Yes,
was
I was about to
always-
say this. For vaccination, even India's situation, നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും
Correct.
അറിയാവുന്നതാണ്. We cannot neglect that.
Yeah.
Although it's our country, but we cannot neglect that. പക്ഷേ ഇവിടെ vaccines ആയാലും എല്ലാം
14 million people are vaccinated.
Yes.
So out of 19 million people. So
Right.
it is something very, it's a challenging thing for the leaders. അവർക്കും
Yes.
നല്ല ഇതുണ്ട്, ടെൻഷൻ
Yes,
ഉണ്ട്.
yes.
But our proper programming, proper functioning,
Yeah.
our way of thinking, that helped out.
Yeah. Don't you think everything, like each and everything, is very much channelized in Dubai or UAE? അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും ഓവർകം ചെയ്തു പോകുമ്പോൾ. സോ ആസ് യു വർ ടോക്കിംഗ് അബൌട്ട് ദ റൂളേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ദുബായ്, ഐ വുഡ് ലൈക്ക് ടു ആസ്ക്, അവരുടെ ഇപ്പം നമ്മൾ ജോലി ചെയ്താലും ഇവിടെ യു എയിൽ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ദുബായിൽ ജോലി ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ വി ആർ ഗെറ്റിംഗ് സോ മച്ച് ഓഫ് സപ്പോർട്ട്. Like if we say about the rules, the regulations, the timings, like we are getting so many things from the support from this country. What, as an employee, what you would like to say about that?
I would say, like, if you see, Dubai is a small country, or UAE is a small country like Kerala. You know, Kerala is so it's hardly 200 kilometers in this. But in the small country, we can see the development happening. We can compare it with the US and UK. Today, all the people from every part of the world is in UAE to make their life. Why? Opportunity. Their life is having very good planning. Like, all the lifestyle is well maintained. Security of the people. Money is there. Okay, where they have opportunity, money is there. Job security, jobs. So this all thing is making this country a very secure country.
Right.
A person or a family can survive. And I have heard from many of my Western friends and from of European friends, like, we go back to country, but when we want to work, we come to Dubai, because, or UAE, basically. Why? This place is something amazing, where you have everything in one umbrella. We can just go and think of anything what you want, we'll get it. And just to mention, Sheikh Maktoum, Sheikh Nayan, like, they are amazing personalities. Okay.
Yes.
What we don't think, also they think about that. They are always thinking 50 years beyond.
Yes.
What has to happen. And നമ്മള് സ്വപ്നത്തിൽ കാണുന്ന അവർ റിയാലിറ്റിയിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതാണ് ഇവരുടെ ഒരു കഴിവ്. അത് അവർക്ക് ബ്ലെസ്സിങ്ങും ഉണ്ട്. And the blessing അവർ, because they respect the people.
Yes.
They respect their elders.
Yes.
And they take care of their good one, near ones. And that is what is the blessings what they have from this country, from the people living here, and from their family. And that's why this country is today also standing number 1 in the world.
Yes, that is
So
what.
that's what I can say.
Yeah, no, I'm asking, like, when you work here, what are perks you are like having? What are advantages you are having?
We are having comfortable, like, perks means we get job nearby. We don't have to travel too much. If you want to travel also, we have the conveyance.
Yeah.
We get we have road transport, everything, which
Yeah.
is more economical for us to make the job more feasible.
Yeah.
അതൊക്കെയുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ
Way of living is
വേ
good.
ഓഫ് ലിവിംഗ് നല്ല സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ്. പിന്നെ
Yeah.
നമുക്ക് സാലറി പ്രൊട്ടക്ഷൻ, ബേസിക്കലി ഒരു എംപ്ലോയി ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്കൊരു ജോബ് സെക്യൂരിറ്റി വേണം. നാളെ നമ്മൾ ആരെയും പറഞ്ഞുവിടാൻ പറ്റില്ല. സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് റെഗുലേഷൻസ്.
Yeah.
ആ കണ്ടീഷൻസ് വെച്ചിട്ട് നമുക്ക് പോകാം. The government supports us,
Right.
correct? And we are always having proper regulations to follow.
Right.
അതെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ support
Yeah,
ചെയ്യണം.
and when you're working also, you'll feel secure here.
Yes, exactly.
That is what. Even if we talk about like our thing, like ladies thing, then also രാത്രി ആയാലും ഇറങ്ങിപ്പോയാലും നമ്മൾ
Yeah.
secure ആണ്. What would you
Anytime.
like to say about that?
Yeah, of course. Our life security is also there, and the way of living is also very, very nice.
Yeah.
Like, whenever we are going out, also we are not afraid. We want to buy something also. Come on, there are so many delivery at home also is there.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
all convenient life. So
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
the best
Everything is like
thing.
very easy going.
Very
here.
easy going.
Yeah.
We cannot think of going back. After staying here, I don't think so any other country will be better
Yeah.
than this.
It will be very
So
difficult
it's a
to
very
manage.
Right.
convenient and
Okay. So basically, as you said, you have your roots from Kerala. So നാട്ടിൽ എവിടെയാണ്?
നാട്ടിൽ ഞങ്ങളിപ്പോ സെറ്റിൽഡ് അടൂര്, പത്തനംതിട്ട. ഞങ്ങൾ അവിടുത്തെ സെറ്റിൽ.
Parents അവിടെ തന്നെ
Parents
settled ആണ്. Okay. And what about you?
എൻ്റെ parents Chenganur.
ചെങ്ങന്നൂരിലാണ്. Okay. So you like guys are not planning to go back to Kerala and get settled?
സെറ്റിൽ ആവാൻ ഇപ്പൊ ഒക്കത്തില്ലല്ലോ.
No, not about it, like, yeah.
കേരള
To
But,
we get
but
a-
is there any option in your dictionary to like go back and get settled there, as you
Yeah.
were never been in Kerala, like for a
എനിക്ക്
long
നാട്
time?
ഇഷ്ടമാ.
Yeah.
പക്ഷെ നാട്ടിൽ നിന്നിട്ട് ചെയ്യാവുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. അതായത് ഒരു മാസം 2 മാസം നിൽക്കുമ്പോൾ ഓക്കെ സെറ്റ്, ബട്ട് ജോലി കിട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ
If we have proper savings,
Yeah.
okay, after savings, then after we are
Settled.
settled here,
Yeah.
we can
Then anytime
go.
you can like think
Yeah.
about that.
പേരൻസിനോട് നിൽക്കാൻ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമാണ്.
Yeah.
അവിടെ പോയി നിൽക്കുക, നമ്മുടെ വീട്ടിൽ നിൽക്കുക, നമ്മുടെ
Right.
നാട്ടിൽ നിൽക്കുക. It is very happy, very happy. But at the end of the day, we need to survive.
We need to
also.
survive, right? So as a family, like, you know, family is something we have to be like very particular, very like it's something like gem we have on this earth. So as a family, what you want to tell about, like, message you want to give to the youngsters or to the new families?
That's a good message. See, as a family is not an easy role
Yeah.
for husband, wife, or it's a family. We always have challenges. We always, our life is, our life ups and downs on it. If you have a good companion, we will come up. Okay? If our companion is not good, നമുക്ക് എപ്പോഴും challenges എപ്പോഴും നമുക്ക് we cannot face alone.
We cannot face, yeah.
We need somebody to support us. അതാണ് family.
Yeah.
നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ പിള്ളേരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ that is our
Blessing.
blessings, and we look into them to fulfill our dreams where we might have lost.
Yes.
We try to develop them wherever we were not developed. So our motivation is kids.
Yes.
So our whole family, it's something like a mixture of happiness, sorrows, and also like fights, arguments.
That is natural.
This is natural. Otherwise, the life is not having any meaning.
Yeah.
If you every day
Yeah,
say
we
hi,
have
hello,
different
it's-
opinions. He will have
Right,
different
right,
opinions.
right.
Our life is family is a family.
Yeah.
Should we have a good companion, or we should find somebody good?
Yeah. Have you seen that ECG graph? It's like ups and downs are there. It means your heart is working.
Correct.
If it's like straight line, it means you're dead.
Dead, yeah.
So in the same way in our family, if like highs and lows, struggles, fights, love, then only it means you're living.
Correct.
Yeah. And the last but not the least, I would like to ask, as like you are now working as an employer, what message you want to give to the new people who are planning to come to Dubai or who are planning to come to UAE to get settled? So what message you want to convey?
See, if you come to Dubai, to all the people everywhere, many people travel to Dubai. I cannot say everybody has been getting the right opportunity, but don't leave hopes. Try for some time, and definitely this country is a land where you will find the right time after few struggles, and you will find the opportunity. അത് 100% ഷുവർ. ആദ്യത്തെ 2 വർഷം എല്ലാവരും കഷ്ടപ്പെടും, എല്ലാ ആൾക്കാരും കഷ്ടപ്പെടും. 2 വർഷം കഴിയുമ്പോൾ you will find the right opportunity somewhere. So
Yeah.
let's wait and see how it's working.
Have patience.
Patience.
Yeah.
And do right things.
Right things.
Do right things. That's the best what we can say.
Yeah. So as a homemaker and also you're working, so what message you want to give to the young ladies out there?
We can do our best, whichever field we are going for, we can do the best. I think so. If we have a good intention, if our intentions are very good, and if we have a positive approach towards that intention, we will definitely come in our way.
Yeah.
So that is the main thing: intention and positive thinking, and we will finally get our destination.
Okay.
That is the thing I just wanted to convey to the ladies.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very
for
much.
giving us like your precious time, and you both were like really good, and we had a good time with you.
Thank you.
And it's a privilege for us to get our family with us on our show, and you have talked really the gem of things you have told, the reality you have told, the experiences you have shared. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.